Imagine that your sales follow-ups actually got replies. I cracked the code using a free AI tool, and I'm showing you how you can use AI to create a sequence of hyper-personalized emails right now. Okay, so let's jump right into the demo. We're going to be using a free AI tool called Notebook LM. And for this example, we're going to be putting together a personalized sales email to a local company called Sweet Theory Baking. Imagine that we're a company that sells a social media content scheduling and analytics platform designed for local businesses. So first we need to gather information about our prospect and then define the style that we want for our email. This is where Notebook LM really shines. So first I'm going to upload key information about Sweet Theory Baking, their website, social media posts, and online reviews. And then I'm also going to upload examples of sales emails that I really like in terms of tone and style. I'm also going to upload a summary of our company that has the social media content scheduling and analytics platform so that it understands exactly what we do and how we can actually provide value to Sweet Theory Baking. By providing Notebook LM with all these types of documents, we're giving it context on who the prospect is, who we are, and also the style of email we want to use. So now that we've got all of our sources into Notebook LM, we're going to use Notebook LM to actually analyze this information. All right, so for the first prompt, I'm going to ask Notebook LM basically to analyze the uploaded documents to identify Sweet Theory Baking's interests, their challenges, their goals, and customer sentiment. And so I'm going to put that first prompt into the box there. All right, so it's given me some key interests related to social media that they have, some specific challenges that they're facing in managing their social media presence, good breakdown and summary of that, some good information that we can actually use for the email that we're going to create, and their stated goals. All right, so for the second prompt, I'm going to ask Notebook LM to analyze the key characteristics of the tone, the style, messaging of the example emails, and this is going to allow us to craft a really personalized email in our preferred style. All right, so it gave me some feedback on each email, and we've uploaded 5 of them. So each one has a specific different style, and one might be friendly, one's direct, one's a little bit more respectful and admiring, helpful. So this is all going to form the basis for the email that we're going to be crafting with the next prompt. Now think about, for your own business, what kind of information could you gather about your own prospects using this method? Probably tons, right? All right, so with all that information, we're going to be creating a series of emails, each with a specific purpose to nurture and build a relationship with that lead. This is where the magic really happens. Okay, so I'm going to type here, okay, Notebook LM, I need your help crafting a 3 email follow-up sequence for a potential client. This is for Social Spark, our social media platform, and the client is Sweet Theory Baking Co. Use the information I uploaded earlier. And here's the plan for the 3 emails. Email 1, introduce Social Spark, focus on time savings, friendly tone. Email 2, address a common objection. Email 3, offer a bonus for booking a demo this week, create some urgency. And write these emails, keeping them personalized to Sweet Theory and using the style from the example emails. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so here's email number 1. It introduces Social Spark and highlights how Social Spark can help Sweet Theory schedule posts more often. It's all about making a connection and really offering a relevant solution. I also think that Notebook LM did a really great job of capturing the tone of the email that I was looking for based on the ones that I've uploaded as examples. All right, and email number 2, this one addresses the common objection of I don't have time for another tool and shares a case study of a similar business that saw great results with Social Spark and talks about what else could they do with the extra time that they would save with this content scheduling platform? They could go and make new treats and experiment with different flavors it's talking about. So this helps to build trust and shows that we really do understand what their pain points are. And finally, email number 3, this one offers a limited time bonus, a free month of premium features or complimentary social media audit tailored towards their online presence for booking a demo this week. Perfect. Creates a sense of urgency and provides a clear call to action. So how much time could you save using this method for your personalized outreach? Now, it's important to acknowledge some of the limitations of Notebook LM and AI in general. While it's an incredible tool for personalizing emails, it's not a magic bullet. AI tools are only as good as the information that you give it, so just double check for information that is accurate and that your emails are genuine. You might encounter situations where AI's interpretations of your documents aren't perfect, or where the tone needs a bit of fine-tuning to truly reflect your brand's style. Also, let's be realistic. This entire tutorial may seem like quite a bit of work for some business owners who are selling lower ticket items. If you're selling a $10 ebook, for example, this level of customization might not be the most efficient use of your time. However, for those of you who are selling higher ticket items, like, for example, coaching packages, consulting, courses, social media management, then this level of customization is absolutely worth the extra time. When you're dealing with larger investments, building genuine connection and showing that you've done your research is absolutely crucial. You're much more likely to get responses back, build trust, and ultimately close more deals. So are you ready to boost your sales follow-ups with AI? Then try Notebook LM today. If you're feeling like your sales growth has plateaued and you're ready to take your business to the next level, watch this next video where I show you a game-changing AI prompt that can help you unlock your business's full potential.